So this is the house of Hangeul. So the first one, so here, it located here. Can you see? Here, all kinds of consonant come here, and consonant and vowel. The first vowel is here. So like the here, yo, all kinds of that like shape there. But or some vowels here, u, you, like that, o, you, like that. These kinds of the locate here. And the final consonant locate under here. So, can you see? So all kinds of consonants is the blue box locate, and the all kinds of this shape of the vowels locate there. Then all kinds of this kind of vowel all locate here.
Okay.
Yeah. The orange box.
Yeah.
Let's see. All different. This one is consonant plus vowel. And here, consonant plus vowel. This one, consonant, vowel, and final consonant.
I see. Okay, that's what the final consonant is.
Yes,
I see.
Yes. But sometimes double consonant and vowel. Full. And double consonant vowel. Like that. Or consonant, vowel, final consonant. Or consonant, vowel, double final consonant.
Okay.
Yes, the several kinds of the shape, the syllable shape. So the Hangul's structure is like that. Oh, yeah.